In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get news channels in Telegram. Start by opening the Telegram app. You can follow along on your phone, tablet, or desktop. The process is essentially the same everywhere. Once you are on the main screen where your chats appear, look toward the top for the search bar. That's your gateway to finding public news channels quickly. Tap or click into the search bar and start typing keywords that match what you want to read. Simple terms like news or breaking news will surface a broad range of options. If you prefer something more specific, type the name of an outlet you already trust, such as BBC News. As you type, Telegram will immediately show results. You'll likely see a mix of channels, groups, and bots. For this task, focus on results labeled as channels. Channels are designed for one-way broadcasts from publishers to you, which is perfect for timely updates. When you see a channel that looks promising, select it to open a preview. This preview is incredibly useful because it lets you skim recent posts without joining just yet. Take a moment to scroll. Notice how frequently the channel posts, whether the tone and topics match your interests, and if the content appears credible. Look at the channel's name and description at the top too. Reputable outlets usually have a clear description and a recognizable brand identity. Some official channels also show a verification badge, and many have a substantial subscriber count. Both can be helpful signals when you are deciding what to follow. If you like what you see, join the channel by tapping the Join or Join Channel button at the bottom. As soon as you join, new updates from that channel will flow into your chat list automatically, and you can open them just like any other conversation. You can always return to the channel's page to explore older posts whenever you want a deeper dive or context on a developing story. If your first search doesn't surface exactly what you want, try refining your keywords. Add a region, a language, or a specific topic terms. The more precise your search, the more relevant the channels you'll find. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.